Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. This is a powerful way to capture leads, promote products, or grow your email list with a dedicated standalone page, all built directly within your Mailchimp account. First, head over to your web browser and type in Mailchimp.com. Once the site loads, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to create your landing page, as this is where your new page and associated audience will be stored. After logging in, look over to the left side navigation menu. You'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several options for different campaign types. From this menu, select Landing Page. This takes you directly into Mailchimp's landing page builder, which is designed to help you set up conversion-focused pages quickly. Next, you'll be asked to enter a landing page name. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify the purpose of this page later on, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. Below that, you'll also need to select the audience you want this landing page connected to. This is important because any leads captured through your landing page will be added to this specific audience list. Once you've filled in these details, click Begin to move forward. Now, Mailchimp will prompt you to select a template. You'll see several options tailored to different goals, such as promoting products, lead generation, or growing your list. Take a moment to review these templates and select the one that best describes your goal. Each template is pre-designed with layouts and elements that align with that objective, so choosing the right one will save you time on customization. Upon selection, you'll be directed to the landing page editor screen. This is where the real customization happens. On the right side of the screen, you'll see customization blocks. These are drag and drop elements, making it incredibly easy to adjust your page layout and design to match your branding. Click into any block to edit text, images, buttons, or colors. Scroll through all the available objects and elements to see what Mailchimp offers. You can add forms, images, headlines, and more, all tailored to create a high-converting landing page. Once you're satisfied with how your landing page looks and functions, click on Save and Close. Your landing page is now ready to be published or shared with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.